you feeling stuck in a low-paying, unfulfilling job? Do you dream of a career that rewards you for your skills and allows you more time with family, but you feel confused about how to make that transition? Are you eager to break into the field of tech or business analysis, yet you lack the experience or background? You are not alone. Many aspiring business analysts struggle with the same. I understand these challenges because I have had the privilege to help many professionals navigate them. And it's the reason I created the Business Analysis Career Development Program. Through a blend of knowledge and hands-on learning activities, my proven step-by-step framework equips you with the practical skills, tools, techniques, and the confidence you need to start and thrive as a business analyst. Picture yourself working remotely on your own terms with the time and financial freedom to maybe pay off debts, travel the world, and build the life you envisioned. This is the reality for hundreds of professionals who have transformed their trajectories with my program. If you are ready to invest in yourself and take control of your professional future, I invite you to join our career development programs. Visit our website at www.pollardconsults.com to learn more and start your journey today.